Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through on how to link your Efootball with your Google Play. Maybe you want to link your Efootball with your Google Play and you don't know how to do that. I'm going to guide you through on how to do that. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please do to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell in order for you to know we'll create more helpful videos like this on this channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. First, all we need to do is to open up our Efootball account, and this is what is going to be showing on our screen. So we are going to be clicking on the extracts on the right corner here. You can see the extracts. After that, we are going to be clicking on support. So on the support, you are going to be seeing link data. Okay, you are going to be clicking on that. As you can see, my Efootball account is already linked with Google Play and also linked with Konami ID. If you don't know what Konami ID is your Gmail that you use in creating the Efootball account. That is your Konami ID. It's form of Gmail, and the Google Play is that same Gmail that is linked with your Google Play and also linked with your Efootball account. With the Google Play ID, you'll be able to purchase coins, buy players with cash, or buy coins on shop and Efootball. So that's it for Google Play. And Konami ID is for you to be able to log in your Efootball account in other device. Maybe you change your device and you want to reconnect. You want to log into the device. You are going to be using your Konami ID, which is the Gmail you use in linking your Efootball accounts to your Konami ID. So that is it. But here mine is connected. It's linked already. For you to link yours, you are going to be clicking on this linked using Google Play. You're going to be clicking on that and click OK. That is it for you to link your Gmail, your Google Play to Efootball. And for this one as well, you're going to be also be clicking on it and click OK as well. But for here, you're going to be, after that, you are going to be seeing this green good line. Make sure the good here in the both of them is showing for you to be able to know that you have already linked your Efootball to Google Play. So that is it on how to link your Efootball to Google Play. If you found this the help, of course, I've come to the very end of this video. Please do it to subscribe. Hit the notification bell in order for you to know where we create more helpful videos like this on this channel. Tell me if you still have any issues with Efootball or you want to know more about Efootball. Drop it in the comment section. See you guys in the next one. Bye.